Tired of traditional banking? You're not alone. With banks charging ridiculous fees and offering snail-paced services, it's no wonder people are looking for alternatives. Enter Monzo, the digital bank that's shaking things up. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. Imagine a world where your bank account is as smart as your phone. That's basically Monzo. It's a mobile-first bank that operates entirely through an app. No more branches, no more queues. Just you and your money, connected seamlessly. So, how do you get started? It's as easy as downloading the app and signing up. You'll need your ID and a few personal details, but the process is pretty straightforward. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface that's designed to make your financial life simpler. One of Monzo's standout features is its real-time spending tracking. Every transaction you make is categorized instantly, giving you a crystal-clear picture of where your money is going. No more end-of-month surprises or scrambling to figure out where that extra cash disappeared to. It's like having a personal finance assistant right in your pocket. But Monzo isn't just about tracking your spending, it's about helping you save too. You can set up pots, which are essentially digital piggy banks for saving towards specific goals. Whether it's a holiday, a new gadget, or a rainy day fund, you can easily stash away money and watch it grow. And let's talk about those pesky overdrafts. Monzo takes a different approach. Instead of charging you a fortune for going into the red, they offer a fee-free overdraft up to a certain limit. It's like a financial safety net without the hefty price tag. Another cool feature is the Monzo card. It's a physical card linked to your account, but it's not your average plastic. You can freeze and unfreeze it instantly from the app, making it super secure. Plus, you can use it to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide without incurring any fees. Monzo also prioritizes security. Your money is protected by top-notch encryption, and the app has various security features to keep your account safe. Now, let's talk about customer support. Monzo is known for its excellent customer service. If you have a problem or a question, you can usually get in touch with someone quickly and easily through the app. But Monzo isn't perfect. While it offers many great features, it doesn't have branches, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Additionally, although it's free to use, there are some paid plans with extra perks if you want to upgrade. So, is Monzo right for you? If you're looking for a bank that's transparent, convenient, and focused on helping you manage your money better, then it's definitely worth considering. However, if you prefer the traditional banking experience with physical branches and face-to-face interactions, Monzo might not be the best fit. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Monzo is right for you is to give it a try. Signing up is free, and there's no obligation to stay. So, why not give it a shot and see if it can revolutionize your financial life? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.